So we listen to the call. So this is a white-crested laughing thrush, and we are in the middle of a sal forest in Uttarakhand state. Small patch of forest. This particular species is very common. Bird is like very beautiful. They are found in big flock, mainly like 10, 15 or 30 number of individuals will be in a single flock, and they keep on moving from one point to other. Specialty of most of the species of laughing thrushes, the particular vocalization they produce, it's like a person is laughing or something, group of people standing together and laughing together. That's why this particular species has got this name.